Significant boost to see Steven Pienaar just completing the 45 minutes. That obviously that was the plan, and Tom Cleverley to extending it to 60 minutes. To see Brian Oviedo playing 90 minutes after his really good performance against Spurs. The next bit of football was with the national team, and it's been great to see them coming back so sharp and ready to add to the squad. So from that point of view, very good news. And then seeing Leighton Baines progressing extremely well with Mo Besic and Tony Hibbert and Aidan McGeady. So we're getting very, very close of having a full squad.
So is Cleverley ready for this weekend, and how far away is Pienaar going to be?
I think it's fair to say that it's just to see how he reacts from the game on Tuesday, and the next two sessions are going to be very important to measure that. I would say from a medical point of view, 100% will be ready. It's just trying to guess and work on his match fitness really more than anything.